Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you a very good strategy. This is a very simple strategy that I'm using to trade this account. Okay, and as you can see we are in $100 profit. Okay, so as a trader, as a beginner trader, your target, your initial target should always be $100. If you can find a way to be making $100 every single day, small consistent profits every single day. As you can see, this account, this is a live account, and I'm using the minimum lot size. If you look at all these trades right here, all of them, they are all the minimum lot size. Okay, but I was able to leverage on a particular trade and I opened multiple positions. Okay, because I entered that trade in a good area, in a good position. Okay, it was below, it was in the zone where I was expecting the market to react to, and the market actually is selling from that zone. Okay, so one thing I wanted to understand about trading the financial markets is that sometimes it's not just about your strategy, it's not just about what you've learned. Okay, and another thing I wanted to know is that if you're learning how to trade from YouTube, you may end up having random knowledge. Some of the knowledge you may be having knowledge that you don't actually need. Okay, but I want to somehow introduce you guys to my Forex trading blueprint. Okay, with this Forex trading blueprint, I guarantee you that you're gonna make consistent profit every single day. You can easily make $100 every day using just that particular strategy, using that particular blueprint. Because in that blueprint, I explained in a structured way how to approach the financial market, because some of you already understand how to trade. Because I've met a lot of students, I've met a lot of traders during my time as a trader. I've been trading the market for 4 years now, going to 5 years, and I've met a lot of struggling traders, and I've also been a struggling trader at a particular point in my journey as a forex trader. So I was able to navigate the through that part, and also somehow I know some of the challenges you guys are facing. That's why I made that forex trading blueprint in a structured way that's going to help you trade consistently and profitable every single day in the market and make profit. Okay, so this is just to this trade. I'll be posting tomorrow's trade also, and I'll be explaining how you can trade the market using simple concepts. If you look at my chart, if you look at my chart I've been holding this trade. Okay, and if you look at this indicator right here, this indicator right here, okay, if you look at this indicator right here, you find out that this indicator gave us a go ahead to buy. Okay, it gave us a go ahead to buy around this zone. Okay, around that zone. Okay, but I was not able to catch this trade. I was 3 minutes late. You see, this candle printed very fast. This one also printed very fast. Okay, so I was 3 minutes late. But I was still able. No, let me say I was 2 minutes late, but I was still able to join the market around here. So I wasn't actually too late. So sometimes you may not be able to catch trades in a precise level, like somewhere like here. You may not be able to catch the trade in a precise zone. Okay, in a precise zone, but just make sure that you are trading in direction of the market. You are trading in line in direction of the market. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you how to set up your chart, how to put all of this on your chart. Okay, in case you've not watched just the previous video, but if you watched the previous video, there's no need. You already know how to set up, because I showed you how to set up this indicator. Okay, so but if you don't know how to do that, I'll just quickly show you how you can set up this indicator in your chart, and also how you can easily use this indicator. Okay, but if you want to have more advanced knowledge, like if you want to be a badass trader, like if you want to be very good in this market, I really recommend you to get my forex trading blueprint. I don't mind. See, it does not matter how much it costs you. Okay, it does not matter how much it costs. Some persons have actually met me that it's very expensive. I don't care, because I'm giving you valuable knowledge. You're not going to be the same um after that particular course, because I'm giving you my 4 years of trading experience. I'm compressing it into a structured way and helping you understand how you're going to trade profitably. This particular trade can run till it gets to $200 before we close it, or $150 before we close it. But our target every single day, and my target on the targets I want to have every single day as a forex trader, is to have and to make $100 every single day. If you can be making $100 every single day, you'll be among the top 5% or top 10% we have in the market. So you don't actually have to start trading and using very mighty lot size like a thousand lot size or one standard lot size or five standard lot size. You don't need to actually start trading that way. You can start small. You can start small. If it was just three positions that you open, if let's say for instance it was just three positions, you're able to open one, two, three, or four. You're able to open four positions, okay, on your small account using the forex trading blueprints. Can you see that you would have made somewhere around $40 because these four positions should have given you somewhere close to $40 or $35 or $38 thereabouts. So that's just one of those things I want you to understand, okay? So it does not actually matter the lot size you're using, okay? It does not actually matter the lot size. I can actually choose to use a very big lot size, so something like 0.20, okay? I can actually choose to use that lot size, but I want you to understand that your lot size does not actually matter, okay? As you can see, we are using a very small lot size here and we are in deep profit. So your lot size does not actually matter. What is the most important thing is that you have a sound and a structured knowledge and you are able to do this every single day. The reason why some of you make profits today and lose it tomorrow is because you don't have a structured knowledge about the markets. I don't know how else I'm going to repeat this. You don't have a structured knowledge about the market. That's why you can make money today and tomorrow you are losing it. So I'm going to be diluting my 4 years of trading experience into that blueprint to make sure that you are mostly in profit. Okay, so guys, I want you to also understand that you're not going to always make profits. You're not going to always make profits. It's not every single trading day there's going to be a profitable trading day. It's not every single trading day there's going to be a profitable trading day. There are some days that you end up making one or two losses. I think it's best for you whenever you make one or two losses in a particular trading day, you just stay off the market that day and you don't come back and trade. If not, you may end up revenge trading or doing something crazy you don't want to do or you do not actually plan to do. Because normally, let me tell you the truth, every single forex trader, even the ones that have been trading for more than 10 years, I've been trading for 5 years, like I've been trading for 4 years plus, almost 5 years, like I said. But even forex traders that have been trading for 10 years, let me just tell you the whole truth, the truth. They still make losses from time to time. So it's your ability to have a strategy that gives you an edge over the market, in the sense that you make more profit than you make losses. So if you have, like, let's say you take 10 trades, and out of those 10 trades 3 are losses, then 7 is wins. Can you see that at the end of the day you are still in very good profit? Are still in very good profit. Even if your strategy is still 5% win and 5% losses, you still end up being in profit. Guys, can you see I can actually close this trade right here because we're in mad profit. We're in $160. I can actually close this trade right here. So even if your strategy does not give you consistent return and consistent, even if your strategy even if you encounter losses while in your strategy, you can still end up making profits. You can still end up making profit and making withdrawals. Okay, that's just one thing I want you to understand when you're trading. Okay, so do not see a loss as a setback. See a loss as a form of, just see a loss as the cost of production or as the cost of running a business. Okay, because even when you're running a business, there will still be some sort of expenses. So those expenses you're running, you encounter during the course of your business. That's if you have a traditional business, if you have a traditional or local business. So the expenses you make during the period of that business, the expenses you make there is just part of the losses you have to encounter. So you have to flip your mind, flip your mentality, flip your mindset, and also understand that when you're trading this market, it does not have to be 100%. If you have a strategy that is 70% accurate, that gives you high edge, okay, sometimes you as a human, you may have human error, calculational error, and you may tend to place trades when you're not supposed to place trades. Your strategy, your edge, and your experience will still let you know that, okay, fine, you are in loss. Do not add more to your losing position. Close or the trade or manage the trade. So it's just normal, it's just part of the game. So let me just quickly show you guys to set up a chart, how to set up this indicator. But like I said before, if you've watched my previous video, you must have seen how I was able to set up this indicator on my chart. But if you've not, if you've not watched my previous video, let me just quickly show you how to set up your indicator. So you click on the F icon. So when you click on the F icon, this particular indicators, this relative strength index, moving average, and envelope, these are the three indicators we're going to be using for this particular strategy. So they are the three indicators that we're going to be using for this strategy. So how do you set up these indicators? So you first of all, you're going to look for a relative strength index. In your relative strength index, this is going to be your parameter. So period is 1. The period is 1. Apply to close. Your style is 2 pixel. Use color brown. Okay, in your levels, the levels is 10, 50, 20. Sorry, 10, 20, 50, 80, and 100. These are the 5 levels you're going to be using in your chart. Okay. So once you have all of this figured out, you click on save. Okay, you click on save. You click on save. Click on save. So then the next indicator we're going to be using is our moving average. In your moving average, your period is 1. Period is 1. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Use 3 pixel. Color brown. Alright. Once you have all of that figured out, you click on save. Click on save. Okay. So the third and the final indicator you're going to be using is called the envelope. So once you look for your envelope and you find it in your chart, you click on envelope. Okay. So your period in your envelope, your period is going to be 75. Shift is going to be 0. Deviation is 0.95. Make sure your deviation is 0.950 because the default deviation is 0.000. So then your method is simple. Apply to close. In your style, your upper band is 3 pixel color blue. Your lower band is 2 pixel color red. So as soon as you have all of this figured out, you click on save. You click on save, and you're gonna have a chart that looks exactly like this. You're gonna have an indicator that looks exactly like this. Okay, you're gonna have an indicator that looks exactly like this. So guys, as you can see, we are in massive profit. I can easily close this trade right here, guys. So guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with your friends and your loved ones. So